I'm a super duper wicked awesome mortgage broker. No, don't use that one. Chad Weninger, I help people find money. So cliche. Real estate is one of the #1 wealth builders in Canada, so ultimately a mortgage could be a very powerful financial tool. Small tweaks in a mortgage can really help create wealth. I love leadership. Everyone needs to guide someone, and really that's what we're doing, is we're guiding people. The mortgage process can be pretty complicated. We're trying to make it as easy and simple as possible, and as brokers we're always trying to evolve and understand the new rules and understand the new changes. XEVA Mortgage, they have a very unique model in which they allow us to kind of grow our business in the way that we want to. I can spend the time doing what I enjoy doing most, which is educating people, mingling with other business professionals. It also fits my core values as a person. So spending a lot of time with my kids and my wife, and that's really ultimately why I do this.